Hello, my name is TeacherBelle and welcome to another tips review and tutorial. Today we are going to look at a tip on how you can publish and sell your own teaching materials online. I know there are a lot of teachers out there who have tons of teaching materials like workbooks, worksheets, practice tests, and practice assessments that you can compile and turn it into a book and sell it possibly online. It will generate passive income and hopefully it will also help children access your materials. So we are looking at Amazon KDP. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and show some love by liking this video. So for today's agenda, we have 8 on our list. Where to publish, how to sign up, the first step that you need to do, the book content, the book cover, the book title details, of course your cost and earnings. Everybody is excited about that, and some reminders. Okay, so let's start with where to publish your book. So I've been using this platform since 2016. I was outside the United States, so it's a plus. If you are not located in the United States, you can publish anywhere in the world. Again, this is an independent publishing. It just has a few requirements and it actually provides your own ISBN, so you don't have to generate it somewhere else. And again, this is very user friendly. Okay, next is how to sign up. So first thing that you need to do is, of course, go to kdp.amazon.com. Now, if you have an Amazon account, you can use that to automatically sign in. If you don't have one, you can choose to do the sign up and then create your KDP account. Now for the author and publisher information, we will discuss that in the next slide. Also the payment and the tax information. But those 3 are basically the requirements for you to sign up. So see, it's just a few requirements. Now for the author details, once you sign up or create your own account, you will have to write your real name or your publishing company if it's registered, because then this is what they're going to use to send your payments. Do not worry, because your pen name can be used when you set up your book details, and we're going to discuss that when we reach the book details part. Okay, it will also require your date of birth and your country of residence. Again, you can publish and you can create your own Amazon KDP account anywhere in the world. Okay, now for the payment, you will have to complete a 2-step verification. It's either through your mobile device or through your email address. So once you sign up, they will send you an email to verify your account. Okay, and you will have to add your US bank account. But again, if you are not a US resident, then you can set up your PayPal account, which you can use to connect your local bank account for payments. And then for your tax information, if you have a UST number or SSN number, you can use that for your tax details. But if there's none, then you can use your local TIN number by generating the W8 form. Do not worry where to find the W8 form, because it's already on the options list when you enter your tax details. Okay, so it's very easy. Okay, and here's the first step. Of course, the first step or the first thing that you need to consider is what specific collection of books do you want to publish? Is it children's book? Is it a practice book? Or is it a compilation of assessments or reading materials? It's up to you. So find your niche. Okay, and then think about your collection also if you are going to put it in a series, because Amazon KDP allows you to put it in a series of book like in a sequel, okay, or independent titles. So it's up to you. Okay, and of course, what application or what platform are you going to use to produce your manuscript? So the most common app that you can use is Google Doc, Google Slides, and you can also use Adobe Photoshop if you are familiar with that. And of course, the most friendly is Canva. I usually make the book covers of my books in Canva, but I use Google Doc for the content. But it's up to you. You can also use Canva directly for your book content and manuscript. manuscript. Okay, now let's proceed with the book content. Again, Amazon KDP is an independent publishing, so you have the control over your book. They will not proofread it for you, so you might want to consult other people to proofread your book, especially if it's a journal book or an essay book for grammar and technicality. But if it's a children material or practice worksheets, then I believe there's not much to proofread about it. Just make sure that the images and your resources are properly cited, or you have the copyright to those images. Okay, now here are the most common parts of your content that you can include in your book. Of course, the title page, your introduction, your table of contents, your author page. Sometimes they put acknowledgement, and of course the content. So again, you do have the control. It's your rules on your manuscript. Just be sure that it is reader friendly and child friendly. Okay, next is of course the book cover. KDP is so amazing because they have pre-made book covers that you can choose from. So when you enter the book details, it will automatically put it in the book cover that you have chosen. So that's a plus in Amazon KDP. But of course, you can upload your own book cover, so it becomes more personalized and customized. And Amazon KDP allows different size format. Just make sure to put about 0.25-inch bleed, or where they will trim your book if it's a paperback copy or a printed copy. So let's say, for example, if you are making a 6x9 book, then for both sides, that's gonna be 0.25 and 0.25. So make it 6.50 by 9.50 inches, and the recommended pixel, so that it won't be pixelated when it gets printed, is 2500 by 1600 pixels. Okay, next is the book title details. Again, when you enter your book title details, make sure that it matches the one that you put in your book cover. So if you put your real name in your book cover, make sure in the details it's also your real name, and the same with pen name and brand name. The reason for that is because after publishing, this part will be locked and it will be uneditable. So the book details that you fill up at the start of creating or publishing your book will be locked. So you won't be able to edit it. But if you do want to change it, then you will have to unpublish your book and create a new title again. Okay. Now, the most exciting part is the cost and earnings. So usually Amazon will get the print cost and 70% of your listed price. Now, of course, colored books are more expensive than black and white. But okay, now here is a sample computation to show how much you can earn from every book sold. So let's say for my book, that's this is a reading book. The print cost when I publish this via Amazon, the print cost is $3, which is, by the way, it will automatically be calculated by Amazon. So again, $3. So in order for me to earn $2.7 for every book sold, then I will have to price it at $12. So $12 less than $3, which is the print cost, then that's going to be $9. So 70% of that $9 will go to Amazon, that's $6.3, and the 30% will go to me as my royalty. Now here are some reminders. You can also publish it as a Kindle version. It will be, you will get a higher pay on this one because there will be no print cost. So as soon as you publish your paperback, then you can also create the Kindle version. So this is how it looks like. Okay, now the manuscript and the book cover design can be revised anytime, so do not worry. Now you can also request for author copies, wherein you're gonna only pay for the print cost. So for my $12 book, I can buy it for only $3. So you are only allowed 10 copies for that. And of course, you can also preview your book and how it's gonna look like through the preview launcher. there you will find some errors before you publish it. So automatically, if there are errors, Amazon will not let you publish it. So it's really a user-friendly platform for anyone who wants to publish independently. Okay, I hope this video was helpful, and if you find this video helpful, please do share it to your teachers and friends who loves writing. Okay, if you do have some information that you want to share, please comment them below so that we can all learn from each other. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and happy writing and teaching. Bye.